Yep, that's bird shit. Sucks pretty bad. It's weird. It just stays there in the middle of my line of sight. Fucking bird shit. Bird poop. Poopy bird stuff. Looks beautiful outside here in Michigan. But it's not. That's the ugly shit right there. What you're looking at now, that's the bad stuff. But, you know, what are you gonna do? This is pretty hard. I need to get an automatically driven car so I can do this with one hand. But, you know, what are you gonna do? I had a stick shift here. Had to put it in gears and things. Got my little machined aluminum knobby there. I just woke up. I'm tired still. But yeah, driving the Honda Civic. Oh yeah. It's a stick shift, as you see. My hair's looking extra good today. See that? But yeah, whew, I've been sleeping good lately. Anyways, what was I gonna talk about today? Oh yeah, Panera Bread. Why do I keep going to Panera Bread? Girlfriend likes it, I like it, but it's like a fast food restaurant that isn't a fast food restaurant. So it's like, oh, it's fancy. I don't know though. I don't know how fancy it is really. What if it's fancy at all? You know, your food isn't in like styrofoam and stuff like that, or paper. It's like in real dishes, and they give you like real silverware. So, I guess that's pretty good. Oh, there we go, green light. But yeah, changing the subject though. The bird shit on the window. Oh, right in the line of sight. So every time I look at the road, there's bird shit. I see it. And like, I'm reminded of how shitty shit is. Poop. Excrement of a bird. What are you gonna do though? What are you gonna do? Enjoy this beautiful day we're having, I guess. Beautiful. Yo, yo. Yeah. So, the bird shit's still there. Oh, you can't see it very well, but it's still there. I tried to run the, what is it called, the windshield wipers and shit. It didn't work out for me very well. It was pretty bad. And now it's just smeary on my window. Try it again. Boo. Fail. That's not too bad. But today didn't turn out to be such a poopy day. Played a little Modern Warfare 2. And, you know, I got ready for work. My good hair style. I don't know if you can see that. Sweet hair. Got the throwback, or not throwback. Got the lost and found Oakley's on. You know what I'm saying? Like, lost and never found. It's really bad, I guess. They don't come back for 3 weeks for the sunglasses. They lose them. God, I sound like a retard when I'm talking. Anyways, it's pretty much just doing this vlog for no reason, just for fun. See if I can edit some videos. Just trying it out. It's March 26th. Probably post this on the 28th, hopefully. And yeah. school buses right in front of you. While you're driving is not good. Not really good to be filming while you're driving. But that's what I should be doing right there, jogging.